lights up your heart? Could be hanging out with your friends, doing nothing at all. Could be talking to your best friend, making a call. Could be reading a book, watch your favorite show, walking in the woods. Hey, you never know what lights up your heart. What lights up your heart? What lights up your heart? What lights up your heart? Could be taking a trip, mountains or the beach. Could be your favorite food, pizza or a peach. Could be playing with a dog, playing with a cat, play video games or hit a ball with a bat. What lights up your heart? 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 Could be playing piano, learning new tunes, going to a party and popping the balloons. Could be putting on music, jumping around, moving your body, making funny sounds. What lights up your heart? 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 Here we go. Playing a team sport, winning the game. Could be hugging your family at the end of the day. Could be swimming in water and taking a hike, making a snowman, riding on your bike. What lights up your heart? 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 There are so many fun things I must have missed. Everyone is different, gotta make your own list. When you're feeling down, heart heavy and low, remember your list and feel your heart start to glow. What lights up your heart? 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 What lights up your heart?